Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Live Healthy Every Day. Have you recently looked in the mirror and been startled by dark spots, freckles, or pigmentation quietly appearing on your face and hands, making you look older and less confident when meeting others? How many times have you wished you could bring back that smooth, even, radiant skin from your 20s, so you could smile freely with your family without worrying about anyone's judgmental gaze? Have you ever wished for that? If your answer is yes, then this video is made for you. Because today, I'm going to reveal a natural secret that many dermatologists recommend, super simple, budget-friendly, yet surprisingly effective. Watch until the end to learn exactly how to apply it. And don't forget to hit like, subscribe to Live Healthy Every Day, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss other natural health and beauty tips. In reality, dull skin, pigmentation, or dark spots aren't caused only by aging, but also by melanin, the pigment that gives skin its color, working overtime. Lemon contains L-ascorbic acid, a highly active form of vitamin C which can inhibit the enzyme tyrosinase, thereby limiting the formation of new pigment. Along with that is citric acid, a natural AHA, which helps remove dead skin cells on the surface, improving light reflection so the skin looks brighter and smoother. However, because lemon has a very low pH, around 2, applying it directly can easily cause stinging and irritation, especially on sensitive skin. The safest way is to combine lemon with gentle ingredients like aloe vera, honey, or yogurt. This not only reduces the harshness but also adds moisture and nutrients. Always rinse thoroughly within the right amount of time, and remember to use sunscreen carefully. Now, I'll guide you through 4 simple and safe lemon-based skincare formulas. Each one is tailored to a specific skin type, with proper application times and small tips to prevent irritation, so you can confidently try them at home and stick with the routine until the very end. Formula 1. Lemon with aloe vera, restoring sensitive skin. My dear friends, for this first recipe, the key ingredient we prepare is 2 tablespoons of pure aloe vera gel. Aloe vera is rich in polysaccharides, long-chain sugar molecules that naturally attract and retain moisture, keeping the skin hydrated while strengthening its protective barrier. In addition, aloe vera contains aloe and allosin, 2 standout compounds known for their anti-inflammatory properties, soothing redness and calming irritated areas quickly. Beyond that, they stimulate the regeneration of new skin cells and aid in wound healing, helping the skin recover steadily with every use. Thanks to these qualities, aloe vera has long been considered a best friend for sensitive, easily damaged skin. When aloe vera is combined with 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, the effectiveness increases significantly. Aloe vera acts as a natural cushion, reducing the harsh acidity of lemon while retaining moisture and nutrients. This way, the skin becomes brighter, dark spots and freckles gradually fade, and dryness or flaking is prevented. More importantly, this combination helps strengthen the skin with every application, making it especially suitable for those with thin, sensitive skin or anyone just starting to try lemon-based skincare. How to do it? Mix 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice with 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. After removing the yellow latex, apply gently onto cleansed facial skin. Leave the mixture on for about 15 to 20 minutes. Then rinse thoroughly with cool water. After patting dry, apply a thin layer of soothing recovery cream to reinforce the skin's moisture barrier and lock in nutrients. Repeat twice a week, but only in the evening to ensure safety and effectiveness. Before applying to your entire face, you should test the mixture on the inside of your wrist or behind your ear for 24 hours to check for irritation. Avoid applying to areas with open wounds or inflamed acne, and never leave it on overnight. After each use, apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen with SPF 30 or higher the next morning, since your skin will be more sensitive to sunlight. Formula 2. Lemon with honey, brightening and deep moisturizing. My friends, for the second recipe, The main ingredient is 1 tablespoon of pure honey. Honey is rich in natural sugars like glucose and fructose, which serve as quick energy for skin cells while keeping the surface soft and hydrated. In addition, honey contains the enzyme glucose oxidase, which, when in contact with the skin, produces a small amount of hydrogen peroxide, providing natural antibacterial benefits and helping cleanse pores. Honey also contains essential amino acids, B vitamins, and minerals such as zinc and potassium, all of which nourish the skin, boost its resilience, and reduce dryness and inflammation. This is why honey has long been considered a miracle remedy for dull, dehydrated skin. When honey is combined with 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, the benefits become more balanced and complete. Lemon helps brighten the skin and fade dark spots thanks to its vitamin C and citric acid, while honey provides moisture and forms a gentle protective layer to prevent dryness or stinging. Together, they fade pigmentation, fight bacteria, and deeply hydrate, leaving the skin youthful, smooth, and glowing. This combination is especially suitable for dull, tired-looking skin. How to do it? Simply mix 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice with 1 tablespoon of pure honey until smooth. After cleansing your face with warm water to slightly open the pores, apply the mixture evenly across your face or focus on areas with pigmentation. Leave it on for 12 to 15 minutes. Then rinse off with cool water and finish with a gentle moisturizer to lock in hydration. Formula 3. Lemon with turmeric powder, fading stubborn dark spots. My dear friends, for this third recipe, the main ingredient we'll need is half a teaspoon of pure turmeric powder. Turmeric has long been considered a precious medicinal herb in both traditional and modern medicine, because its most notable compound is curcumin, an antioxidant many times stronger than vitamin E. Curcumin neutralizes free radicals, slowing down the aging process, while also providing anti-inflammatory benefits and supporting the healing of surface skin damage. Furthermore, curcumin has been shown to inhibit abnormal pigment production, helping stubborn dark patches and melasma gradually fade away. When turmeric powder is combined with 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, the benefits of both ingredients are clearly amplified. Lemon brightens and exfoliates the outer layer of aged cells, while turmeric penetrates deeply to nourish, repair, and protect the skin from inflammation or irritation. This combination forms the perfect duo. Lemon opens the path by cleansing and brightening, while turmeric heals and stabilizes skin tone, giving old dark spots and pigmentation a chance to fade over time. How to do it? Mix 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice with half a teaspoon of pure turmeric powder into a smooth paste. Apply directly onto areas with melasma or dark spots, or spread a thin layer across the entire face if desired. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. Then rinse thoroughly with warm water. Since turmeric may leave a slight yellow tint on the skin, you can wash once more with a gentle facial cleanser to remove any residue. Note: always choose pure turmeric powder with no added dyes or fillers, as poor quality products may cause irritation or unpleasant odors. Avoid applying near the eyes and lips. If you have very sensitive skin, patch test on a small area for 24 hours to ensure no reaction occurs. After use, don't forget sunscreen the next day, since your skin will be more sensitive to sunlight and prone to darkening if exposed. Also, do not overuse this formula, as both lemon and turmeric are highly active and your skin needs time to recover. Formula 4. Lemon with yogurt, gentle brightening and smoothing. Dear friends, the final recipe I'd like to share is the combination of lemon and plain yogurt. Here, the key ingredient is 2 tablespoons of pure, unsweetened yogurt. Yogurt contains lactic acid, a natural AHA, with larger molecules than glycolic acid. Lactic acid works more gently, gradually exfoliating dead cells while improving the thickness of the epidermis, which helps the skin become smoother and less flaky. In addition, yogurt is rich in protein, calcium, and B vitamins, which nourish skin cells, restore the natural protective barrier, and maintain stable hydration. Notably, the probiotics in yogurt also help balance the skin's microbiome, reducing the risk of acne and inflammation. When yogurt is combined with 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, the skincare effects become more complete. Lemon provides vitamin C and citric acid to brighten and fade dark spots, while yogurt gently removes old keratin, hydrates, and tightens pores. Together, this combination helps the skin not only look more evenly toned but also smoother, plumper, and more radiant over time. Mix 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice with 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt until smooth. Apply a thin layer over your cleansed face, focusing more on darkened areas or spots with enlarged pores. Leave it on the skin for about 12 to 15 minutes. Then rinse thoroughly with cool water and finish with a moisturizer to lock in hydration. Note: the yogurt must be unsweetened. Avoid flavored or additive-containing products, as these can cause irritation or clog pores. When mixing with lemon, do not leave the mixture sitting out too long, as vitamin C oxidizes quickly and loses its effectiveness. Just like the other recipes, avoid applying over open wounds, and always use thorough sun protection the next day to maintain lasting results. Dear friends, before trying any lemon-based formula, the most important step is a patch test. Apply a small amount of the mixture to the inside of your wrist or behind your ear. Leave it for about 15 minutes. Then rinse and observe for 24 hours. If you don't experience itching, rashes, or prolonged redness, then it's safe to apply to your face. For sensitive skin, start with a gentler ratio, such as 1 part lemon combined with 2 to 3 parts aloe vera, honey, or yogurt, and only increase the concentration after a few weeks once your skin adjusts. The second key point is that lemon should only be used at night. Because lemon contains acids, the skin becomes more sensitive to light, and if applied during the day, it can easily lead to sun damage or even worsen pigmentation. Therefore, the following morning, always apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen of SPF 30 or higher, in adequate amounts, and reapply when staying outdoors for long periods. Pairing sunscreen with a wide-brimmed hat and a thick fabric face mask will provide more complete protection. The third point concerns frequency and duration. Each formula should only stay on the skin for 10 to 20 minutes depending on the type, and be applied 1 to 3 times a week, never on consecutive days. After applying, the skin needs recovery time, so avoid combining lemon masks with other strong actives like AHA, BHA, or retinoids in the same session. If you're undergoing professional treatments like chemical peels, laser, or microneedling, pause lemon use for at least a week or strictly follow your doctor's instructions. The fourth point is to avoid sensitive areas such as around the eyes, the corners of the nose, the lips, or any open wounds or inflamed acne. These areas are easily damaged and prone to post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. Those with chronic skin conditions like eczema, seborrheic dermatitis, or rosacea should be especially cautious. Start with the gentlest recipe, lemon with aloe vera, and shorten the application time. If a burning sensation occurs and doesn't subside within a minute, rinse off immediately and discontinue use. The fifth point is post-lemon skincare. After rinsing thoroughly, follow up with gentle, restorative moisturizers containing ingredients like panthenol, glycerin, or ceramides to strengthen the skin barrier. Avoid alcohol-based toners or heavily fragranced products, as the skin is more sensitive at this time and irritation is more likely. Finally, it's important to set realistic expectations and know when to seek professional help. Fresh dark spots often begin to improve after about 4 to 6 weeks of consistent use, while long-standing melasma may take 8 to 12 weeks before showing visible results. If, during use, your skin becomes persistently red, irritated, itchy, or shows widespread darkening, you should stop immediately and consult a dermatologist. For very sensitive skin, you might consider switching to gentler alternatives such as stabilized vitamin C niacinamide, azelaic acid, or licorice extract, always paired with strict daily sun protection. When you follow these principles consistently, along with patience and a healthy lifestyle, your skin will gradually become brighter and smoother in a safe, sustainable way. Dear friends, skincare has never been a short journey. It always requires patience and the right choices. Lemon is a simple, everyday ingredient found right in your kitchen. But when used wisely, it can become a powerful ally in brightening your skin and fading those stubborn dark spots. The most important things are to listen to your skin. Patch test first. Use at the right frequency. And never skip daily sunscreen. If you found today's sharing helpful, please hit like, subscribe to live healthy every day, and leave a comment below so we can exchange more tips together. Every opinion from you is a great motivation for me to continue bringing more scientific, practical, and relatable knowledge. Wishing you good health, peace of mind, and skin that becomes more radiant and confident every day. See you in the next videos. Herb.